Kiingereza. Na nimeona, najua nimesumbuka sana hapa chini. Alikuwa hawa wazungu wakiongea na niuliza huyu amesema nini? Huyu amesema nini? Sasa na nimemsaidia sana, naeleza huyu amesema hiyo. Sasa amesimama hapa ameongea tena ile Kiingereza, nikashangaa sasa huyu mtu kumbe alikuwa ananienjoy. This is a very special moment in the history of public delivery in our country. For decades, success in relieving citizens of the huge burden of human suffering and financial distress caused by illness has been elusive. The main reason for this is that our health system devoted itself exclusively to the provision of curative services and primary health and gave minimal attention to prevention and promotion of health interventions that begin at home, often before the onset of serious illness. At the consultative stage of the process by which we formulated the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, Kenyans made it very clear to us that the transformation of our public health care model was long overdue. Despite appreciable progress in enhancing the availability of healthcare infrastructure, technology and personnel access to curative health remained difficult and the cost so high that many thriving households have been plunged into serious financial trouble by the illness of a single family member. 36% of our citizens are at risk of being impoverished by the catastrophic financial burden of serious illness. And in fact, statistics show that 1 million Kenyans every year sink into poverty because of chronic illnesses of their family members. Kenyans, therefore, expressed their yearning for a new approach to healthcare, one that saved costs, simplified the means of actualizing the fundamental constitutional right to the highest attainable standards of health set out in Article 43(1)(a), and we met them directly halfway at their point of need. We agreed that a community health approach is the foundation of preventive health care, mainly because 70% of cases attended to in our hospitals are preventable. At the same time, every shilling invested in community health has a return of 9 shillings saved in curative healthcare costs. We committed, therefore, to employ community health promoters as a critical component of the national primary healthcare system, in addition to employing 20,000 healthcare workers. These are doctors, nurses, clinical officers, laboratory technologists, physiotherapists, and others to bring the ratio of healthcare workers to the population to 23 for every 10,000 as recommended by the World Health Organization. The case for primary health underpinned by a well-resourced community health system at the very bottom is overwhelming. This is why our community health has received strong support from both levels of government, providing an opportunity to showcase a transformed approach to collaboration between the national and county governments. Our journey to deliver this commitment is now well underway. Today, we strike out in the new direction to execute a paradigm shift in the way we serve the people of Kenya with regard to their healthcare needs. Kenyans will now be attended to at their homes by fully trained, homegrown community health promoters who shall be supervised by qualified health workers. And I am very proud that we have 7,000 plus just for Nairobi County. And I want to say congratulations to all of you for what you are already doing for our communities. The community health promoters are facilitated to provide a defined package of preventive and promotive health services at the household level. Each promoter is mandated to serve 100 homes and will be provided with basic equipment for household health screening. 100,000 community health promoters kits will be provided by the national government through the Ministry of Health, together with smartphones to make them reachable and to enable them transmit and receive necessary information, instruction, advice, and other information relevant in the delivery of health care by community health promoters. The national and county government will co-share the responsibility for the remuneration in the form of stipends for the 100,000 community health promoters who will work in each of our 47 counties, and I must thank our governors for this partnership. By launching the essential kits to equip community health promoters, we are making a bold statement of our intent to take a big step towards winning our nation's long-standing struggle for freedom from disease using a bottom-up strategy. This is also our celebration of critical victories in the struggle. Victory for citizens' well-being and freedom from disease, for devolution and collaboration between national and county governments, for the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, and most importantly, an immense victory for the people of Kenya. Shortly, Kenyans will no longer need to travel to a health facility for basic screening and the treatment of minor ailments, as well as preventative and promotive health care. Instead, health facilities in the form of these kits and the community health workers who shall operate them shall go to Kenyans and serve them at their homes. This is the essence of a bottom-up transformation of citizen services. I urge community health promoters and healthcare workers to serve Kenyans with zeal and motivation, and to be compassionate, respectful, gentle, and thoroughly professional. I urge them to remain focused on helping our nation win the struggle for freedom from disease. I also take this opportunity to express my appreciation for the patriotism of our county governors, whose dedication to this partnership has been exemplary. And I have made a commitment to our governors that they have my personal and they have the national government's support as they work tirelessly to make sure that we keep our country safe from disease. I want also to assure our county governments that they have our collaboration as we deliver to the people of Kenya. My commitment, the commitment of the national government, is for us to succeed as a nation. It doesn't matter who takes the credit. Whoever wants to have the credit, they can have it so long as we deliver public service and we deliver on this health commitment that has been elusive for many years. I also want to thank our members of parliament. They have been exemplary. They have worked with us. They have made a commitment. They have already interrogated all the bills. I am happy that they are going on with public participation in Turkana and in other areas. And I want to assure Parliament that the executive, both at the county and at the national level, will make sure when the pieces of legislation become law, we will ensure that we keep our part of the promise to make sure we deliver health at the very bottom to every Kenyan and be organized from the dispensaries to the health centers, to the sub-county hospitals, to the county hospitals, and also to the referral hospitals that we have across the country. We have legislation that will now underpin our health delivery systems across the country, in every county and nationally. With this spirit of collaboration between the two levels of governance, only the sky is the limit, as they say. It is now my pleasure to launch the nationwide exercise to distribute 100,000 community health promoters kits to 47 county governments for further deployment. And it is my expectation that this partnership, this collaboration, and I want to thank our partners, UNICEF, Johnson & Johnson, CIF. CIF are a great partner to us. I want to specifically thank CIF for helping us with the kits that we have, their partnership and commitment, World Bank, Safaricom, and all the people who have made this possible. Each and every one of you have made an immense contribution towards what we are witnessing here today. The journey has started, and I am sure we will get there. Thank you very much. My very best wishes. I look forward to launching formally the next phase of this program on the 20th of next month. And I have asked the President of Angola to join us in that celebration so that he can help us formally launch this program that has learned many lessons, as Minister has said, from different countries, from different models. I want to thank the Ministry of Health under the leadership of my good Minister Susan. I have been on their case. We've had many meetings. I know sometimes I have put you under immense pressure, but you understand that my employers have also put me under a lot of pressure. So because you are my employers, because you are my employees, I report to these millions of Kenyans. So wao ndio wanasema hii kazi ifanyike na ifanyike haraka. So nawashukuru sana, pongezi. Nyinyi watu wa Kanairo, mjue tuko pamoja na nyinyi. Sasa nyinyi mtaenda kushughulika na kila county, na kila kijiji, na kila mtaa, na kila kona ya Nairobi. Na mimi naamini ya kwamba nyinyi mtatupatia heshima ya kufaulu kwa sababu tunawaamini. Ulisema kulamba tofu? Tunawalombo tofu. Hiyo kabisa, tuko hapo. Sawa. God bless you and God bless our great country Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana, Mheshimiwa Rais. We have only 3 more items that we'd like to do. The first one is a handover of the checks, where we would like to have you hand over. Kindly, let's remain seated so that we are able to do this with your kind request. So we'll hand over the checks. The first check that is going to be handed over is one for 3 billion Kenyan shillings. And on this picture, I'm going to ask, for the sake of the photo, to have His Excellency the President, the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the CS Health. Right, let's take it to the middle, right there. And have His Excellency in the middle. This is the COG Chair. This is 3 billion. Prime Cabinet Secretary, the CS Health, Treasury as well. If we can have it in the middle. Who's receiving it? COG Chair. COG Chair is receiving it. Yeah. We have the Nairobi County one coming. So if we can all just kindly look at the cameras at the front for the sake of that picture, then we'll have the second check, which is going to be handed over to Nairobi County, which is 221,160,000. So, and this is 221,160,000 to be handed over to Nairobi County Government. Inaonekana haina signature, lakini itasainiwa. All right, for the sake of the picture, if we can kindly just look forward and have that picture taken. After that, Your Excellency, all right, Your Excellency, with your permission, would also like to have a special picture of His Excellency the President taken with the CHPs. I'll request that we put the umbrellas down. I'll ask His Excellency and His Excellency to join them there. Then we'll also have the governors later, but let's have His Excellency alone. Let's have His Excellency alone kindly to take a picture with the CHPs. Then after that, we'll have the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, and the governors who are here to join them. But for now, kindly let's just have His Excellency alone. Tuweke mwavuli chini, ili tuweze kupiga picha moja na Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. At this point, I'll also request that the truck drivers be in your trucks, ready to be flagged off. Truck drivers, let's get into our trucks, ready to be flagged off. But for now, we want to take the picture. Waimbaji wa West Pokot, tafadhali mje karibu hapa, mje karibu hapa. Once you're done, let me know so that we have the governors present who also join in the picture. Once we are done with that, let's allow His Excellency to come back this way, tafadhali, so that we may also do the official flag off of the trucks. Governors join in, please. Governors join in. Then after that, I'll request we all go back to the dais to witness the flagging off of the 47 trucks which are carrying the CHP kits going to all the 47 counties in Kenya. I'll request that we all come back to the dais so that we may witness the 47. There are 6 trucks that will be representative of the flag off. If we may allow His Excellency to come back, let's all come back to the dais, tafadhali. Let's all come back to the dais kindly. If we can kindly have the governors just line up here, but His Excellency on the red carpet. Governors, if we can just line up here as witnesses. The rest of us, please, let's come back to the dais. Governors in a line. His Excellency to flag off from... All right, let's all come back to the dais. So what we'll do, we'll count down. We're going to count down from 5. Then His Excellency will flag them off. And for the sake of safety, please let's not have the pyros. We're too close to the edge of the podium. So we'll count down to 5. All right, so we'll count down to 5, from 5. All right, so we'll have His Excellency flag them off. Then each county... Wait. Ngoja. Kwale governor? Hayuko. All right, we'll just count down to 5, then we start. And then we'll have the celebration. 5, 4, 3, 2, flag off. County 02. County 004. 004. Tana River. Higher next. Keep going. The next county is 006. Taita Taveta. Taita Taveta is there, so count Taita Taveta. And let's have Wajir County getting ready. Wajir County. After Wajir County, we have Marsabit. Marsabit pia jitayarishe. Marsabit. Marsabit. Oh yeah. After Marsabit, we have Embu County. Embu Governor yuko tena sana. Embu County. After Embu County, we have 001. Mombasa County. Kilifi County, Kilifi, Lamu County, After that is Garissa County, After that, we have Mandera County. Mandera. After this, it's Isiolo County. Tharaka Nithi. Masaku is next. After that, it's Machakos. After that, it's Machakos. Makueni County after that. County 017 ndio imefuata Makueni County. Followed by Nyandarua County. Nyandarua alafu Kitui, kwa hivyo Kitui karibu. Nyandarua followed by Kitui. After Kitui we have Meru County. Meru County is next. After Meru, Nyeri County, Governor Kahiga. After Meru, Nyeri County. After Nyeri, we have Kirinyaga County. Kirinyaga coming up next. COG Chair. After Kirinyaga, we have Muranga. Muranga County, Kachonjo. Muranga twende. Kiambu after Muranga. Kiambu after Muranga. Kiambu ingia. Kiambu County. After Kiambu, Turkana. After Kiambu, Turkana. Turkana, West Pokot. After Turkana, West Pokot. Samburu, after West Pokot, Samburu. Samburu. After that we have Trans Nzoia. Trans Nzoia. Wasingishu County. Wasingishu County. Wasingishu County is next. Wasingishu twende. After that we have Elgeyo Marakwet. Elgeyo Marakwet. After Elgeyo Marakwet, Nandi County. Nandi County, ako wapi? We have Baringo County. Nandi alafu Baringo. Baringo County. After Baringo County, we have Laikipia County. After Laikipia County, we have Nakuru County. Nakuru County is next. Madam Susan Kihika. Nakuru twende. After Nakuru, we have Narok County. Narok County. After Narok, Kajiado. After Narok, Kajiado. Kericho County. Bomet County. After Bomet County, we have Kakamega County. After that, we have Vihiga County. After Vihiga County, we have Bungoma County. Bungoma. After Bungoma, Busia County. After Busia, we have Siaya. After Siaya, we have Kisumu. Kisumu County. After Kisumu, Homa Bay. Migori County. Migori County. After Migori County, Kisii County. After Kisii, Nyamira County. After Nyamira, Governor wa Nairobi, yako ndio hiyo, County 047. Na tukimalizia, sote tutasimama kwa wimbo wa taifa. Your Excellency, sir, we have come to the end of this particular occasion. So for now, let us be all upstanding to finish with a national prayer, which is the national anthem. We'll now allow His Excellency to retreat. Thank you very much.